Hello and welcome back for another Pepe price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Pepe chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Pepe has continued to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and that is what I'm going to use to give you my technical analysis, where you can see that from these top prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive surge to the upper side, giving us the all-time high in what I'm terming as the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the all-time high, we started seeing a bit of a breakdown in what I'm terming as the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. And once you see the bottom for this higher Elliot wave count 2, I'm expecting Pepe to give us another massive run up in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5, and getting to see whether the second wave down here has done the minimum that we expect a second wave to do by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That now gives me a minimum retracement area for that second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is the target area that I'm marking here on the chart using this yellow target area. And you can see that at the time of this recording, Pepe has fully maximized that yellow target area in the formation of this wave 2, and that means that now means that Pepe is now ready for another massive pump in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation also, having the wave 5 fully maximizing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. And if we take a closer look at the charts here, you can see that we seem to be having such a structure where we can term this as the wave 1, and there are chances that we are now seeing a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And if that is the case, we can use the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1 to get a minimum retracement area for that second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, which is the area that lies between the $15,723 mark and the $0.1416 mark, and I'm omitting those zeros in front of those numbers. So remember that I have like 5 zeros before those numbers. And in case we see further breakdown over here, there are chances that Pepe can get a bit of a pullback into this yellow target area. And once that plays out and we fully maximize the target area, then from that point we can expect another massive surge in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5 to the upper side. So that is what I can expect here on the Pepe chart, basing it on the Elliot structures. I believe it has now fully maximized its minimum target areas for this wave 2, and it's now ready for that massive pump in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Pepe chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.